Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I will show you how to change the wallpaper of the device. So the simplest way is hold your finger on the screen and you will get this little icon right here, wallpapers. You can tap on it and then you have two options. You can either go from photos, which will basically have all your gallery photos, the ones that you have taken with the camera, download it from internet, or just upload it to a SD card or just to the device from, let's say, a computer. And wallpapers will just have, as it does for me, I believe only one photo, which it's not much. So we're gonna go back to photos. And from here I have a couple downloaded. Just for the viewing experience, we're gonna go with something that will be amazing to look at. So let's just tap on set as wallpaper, and you get an option to set it as home screen, lock screen, or set as both. I'm just gonna choose this as a home screen wallpaper. And now if I go back, you have this nice wallpaper. So that is how you would change it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.